Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of Groundhog's Day, I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to draw a cute cartoon groundhog. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cute cartoon groundhog, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a circle for the eye. Then I'm going to leave some space and we'll make another circle for an eye over here. Next, I'm going to make a circle right in the kind of like the center part of each one. And then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just that circle white and then a little bit white at the bottom. Now, starting here, let's make a little sad face for the top of the nose. Then let's make a little happy face for the bottom. And then I'm going to color in most of this. I'm just going to leave that top part white. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down and then up here. And then same thing here, down and then up here. Then I'm going to make a little line at the end of each one. Now for the teeth, let's draw a line that's going to come down, over, and then up. And then we'll make a little line down. Then underneath here, let's do a little curve for like the chin. I'll make a little curved line above each eye for the eyebrows. And then we're going to work on the cheeks. I'm going to bring this line down, and as I curve out, I'm going to make some little points. I'll do that same thing here, just kind of come down. And then as I come out, I'm just going to make some little points. Then I'm just going to kind of curve this line in, and I'm going to curve this line in. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and this line up. And then I'm going to draw the ears. I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve around here. And then we'll make a line that's going to curve around here. Then we'll make another one that's going to curve down, and another one's going to curve down. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that comes across. And then right here, we're going to make a big oval shape. And then we're going to make a line that's going to curve here for the hat. We're going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to curve it over and then down. And then we're going to make a line across here. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve around and then in. And then same thing here, we're going to curve around and in. Then we're just going to curve around back here. And same thing here, kind of go down. Then we're just going to curve around back here. Then we're going to make 1, 2, and 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3 lines. Next, we're going to bring this line down and this line down. And then we're going to make just kind of like a bumpy little line across to kind of start where his little hole is. Then we're going to do a little line that comes out and down on each side. And then we're just going to make kind of like a bumpy little line across here. I'm going to make more of like a wavy line here just to kind of show where like some snow could be. We're going to make a little bit of snow. And I'll even do a little line over here too to kind of make some snow. And then we can do some grass on each side. Then finally what we're going to do is just kind of make a line that curves here and curves here. And then we're going to make a little zigzag line here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cute little groundhog for Groundhog's Day. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.